Hello and welcome to the vlog. Here's a room tour of the Twin Fin King City View room. The reason that we chose this hotel was that it's directly across from the Waikiki beach that has the wall to prevent the waves from coming into the beach. It's the southernmost hotel on the Kulakaua Road. We did have a $60 per day resort fee. Upon arrival, we tried to upgrade to a beach view. It was impossible. This hotel was very busy the whole entire time that we were there, so there really wasn't a whole lot of rooms to upgrade to. But we spent a majority of the time out on the beach anyway, especially at night listening to the waves. And remember that Fridays, there's fireworks on the beach. The hotel had several events that went on throughout the week, such as lei making, learning how to hula dance, etc. We were expecting to have a view of just the city, but we ended up getting like a partial view. We were on the lowest floor, which was the 5th floor. The room was a little bit dated. Housekeeping comes every other day. If you would like to have it every day, there will be an upcharge for that, so keep that in mind. Overall, we were really impressed with the hotel, the staff, and the location. It was very convenient to be able to walk right out the front door of the hotel, across the street, and be right on the beach. I would like to personally thank you for watching.